to room temperature 10 minutes before cooking.
Okay, Google, stop.
Okay, done.
Google's just stopping, but I'm just starting. Hi, it's Michael Garfield. I am the high-tech Texan, and welcome to my smart home. You know, as 2020 rolls around, it's time to get your home into being smart. Now, it may already be smart. Some of the products, like you have like a Google Home Nest Hub, like I have. Maybe it's a video doorbell. Maybe you have a camera. You can piecemeal these things, or you can get the whole kit to make your life much easier. No matter what it is, I want you to join me at the upcoming Home and Garden Show. I'm going to be broadcasting my radio show live on Saturday, and then I'm going to be on stage, presentations, Q&A, showing you some of this neat stuff, including some of the hot products that I'm going to see at CES. So make sure you log on, find a coupon, free parking. It's a lot of stuff to do. Join me Saturday at the big Home and Garden Show. Appreciate it. We'll see you there. Okay, lights off.